these are all the nice things that you can do. Look, you can get some pretty leaves and roses and tulips and stems, all with a spoon. Amazing. So that's a little few paints that I have on there, just yellows and red. And you know, you have different color blues, reds, yellows, oranges, and white. And a couple of spoons. There we go. And some paper towel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some, we'll have the experiment. We'll put some yellow and some orange and some white. Let's see what happens. Let's have some fun. Alright, so we're just going to make some flowers, see what kind of flowers we can get out of it. So let's just decide what way we want our flowers. So if we have a little center, we could probably put in a couple of flowers this way. Isn't that cute? That's nice. So now you can reload. You can leave the paint down that you already have on there. You don't have to wipe it off. So that's one. And then we'll put in another one. Aw, how cute is that? And we'll do another one. So cute. We'll come in a little bit and pull in. The spoon is doing all the work. Yes, it is. So I'm just picking up some left over here. So, you know, it doesn't have to be, let's see. Nice. I'm just going to go in between and get some smaller ones. It's really nice, isn't it? Isn't that cute? Let's put a little center in there now. I'm going to just take a flat brush, one of your flat brushes, and synthetic, and we'll tap in some darker color. So maybe we'll get a little bit of burnt umber or burnt sienna. See, there it is. Now I'm going to add that here to make a center. Some of these videos are on YouTube that you can look up different ones. Really nice. And then I'm just going to use, let that dry a little bit, and then I'm going to use a little bit of orange. Tap in some orange there just to brighten up a little bit. Corner of my brush. How cute is that? My, I like it. Alright, so now I'm going to try, now you can put some more flowers on the back there, but I'm just going to pretend that that's just hanging that way. It's just hanging out. I'm going to try a rose or something. I'm going to wipe off the back of my spoon. You could still leave it dirty. I mean, all the colors mixing is nice, but if you're trying to make a rose or something, let's just put on red, a bit of white. Now, this is a first for me, so I'm just going to try. Maybe I'll try, instead of a rose, which is harder, probably I'll try a tulip. Let's see. So you put on either side. So you have to reload a lot with this because you're using a spoon. But what I like about the spoon is it gives you this beautiful, look at that. Isn't that cute? That is really nice. I like it. and red and white again, and I'm going to try a little rose or something. So I'm just going to go bump, bump, bump. Get more white. Look at that. Little rose, that quick, huh? Isn't that beautiful? That is so nice. Let's see what else we got here. You can do all kinds of flowers now. So you can use a smaller spoon for smaller flowers. That's nice, isn't it? Let's try that. We can try probably a little rose or something. So just with just the red, let's try oh, that's nice. Just look at the leaves, the little shapes. Pretty cool. Nice shapes they go. You just touch and pull in. I mean, you can experiment with, see what kind of leaves you're going to get. That's nice. You can add some white on top of that, or yellow or red, or right. See that? You just add the white in around the area. That's a nice flower. Nice. You could probably make some leaves too. Let's try and make a leaf. How about some yellow and blue? Now you can pick up any green you want. I'm just making a little bit of green with, but I'm mixing it together so that I get kind of different greens going on there. See that nice? Even that itself is a nice flower. Look at that. Oh, that's really nice. Look at that. So you could make a leaf, maybe some kind of a leaf. What I want to do is get a leaf, but I want to make the leaf so it looks like a leaf. I don't want to. Oh, that's a nice leaf. Look at that. So experiment. Just experiment. See what kind of shapes. You're really working on shapes. I'm using a corner of my kind of, you know, you can do it flat, or you can turn it this way, you know, just to see what you're going to get. Nice little leaves, aren't they? Very nice. Maybe a nice little flower. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, pretty. The beauty is you get these shapes with this spoon that you can't get with a brush. Now your Filbert brush might give you some nice shapes like this. But look at that. If I were sitting down, I'd be able to get a better grip on my spoon here. But even that though is cute, isn't it? Look. As you can see, I'm not mixing my colors completely. I'm just kind of throwing them on there. See what I want to get. Look at that. I love it. It's so cute. And I have more quick and easy painting techniques. Maybe flowers, hills, trees. Quick and easy so that you can work on one thing at a time and get some new ideas. So now you can put a stem on and probably put some yellow on one side of your brush and green on the other, but you can put, as long as it's not totally mixed, but you can if you want to. It's just that I love to kind of use a marble look. Just take the edge of that and make yourself a little stem, okay? Make some stems and then we'll try some leaves with the spoon. Right, so I'll get some stems. So now we have some stems. We can try some leaves with the spoon. Maybe the small spoon, I don't know, we'll see. So I'm just putting on some of my yellow. And see if I can make a, let's get the whole back of the spoon just in case we need to do that. And we'll try to make some, oh nice, look at that. Oh yeah, pretty. So you can, you know, use different things that you can find. Look at that. Nice. Some things you can do with a brush and some you can't, you know what I mean? Like, look at that, isn't it gorgeous? Look at that. That's really, really nice. See? Bump, bump. Amazing. It even amazes me. Oh boy. I've been at this for many years, and some of these techniques that I brightened that one up is nice. Look, let's try that again. I like that. I'm going to see if I can come up with some more flowers and some more ideas. You know, some little cute little ideas where you can use different things, because you don't always have to use a brush, right? You don't always have to use a brush, but look at that. It's so pretty. Now, flowers with a spoon. I hope you enjoyed this. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. And if you liked my video, you can give me a like, you can share my video, and you can subscribe and press the notification button so you can get lots more videos like you've seen today. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.